Well, welcome back. New this morning, Ford Motor is launching its American Value for American Values initiative in honor of America's 250th birthday this July. Last year, Ford assembled 2 million vehicles, including 350,000 light-duty vehicles, while employing over 53,000 manufacturers right here in America. Exports topping 311,000. Joining me now is Ford's Blue and Model E President, Andrew Frick. Andrew, good to see you. Thank you so much for being here this morning.
It's great to be.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you very much, Maria. It's great to be with you.
And this effort is about, you say, the company's recommitment to American values. Tell us about that.
Yes, our campaign that we're so excited to launch, it's going to be nationwide. It launches today, and it's really about celebrating America's 250th anniversary. American Value for American Values is what we're calling it, but at its core, it's about us saying thank you to the people who keep driving this country forward, and we want to treat them like family. So we're excited to offer employee pricing on our new vehicles to the public, which means customers will have the ability to pay what a Ford employee pays, which I think really shows how we value our customers, and really excited to celebrate our 250th year as a country.
Well, it's very good to think that, you know, your average guy and gal out there can pay what an employee pays. What is that? What is that price, and how does it differ than what we see in the showrooms?
Yeah, well, during this time period, customers will have the ability to have a guaranteed price as they walk in. It's below dealer invoice, and it really ranges across each of the vehicles that we offer, from, you know, our affordable Maverick and Bronco Sports, you know, throughout our entire lineup, Bronco, F-150, Super Duty. So we're excited to make this offer.
Tell us about the Model E and how it compares to the kind of excitement around the Ford 150. I mean, there's just, it's so iconic, that truck. And I want to see what kind of optimism you're looking at in your business.
Well, we're really the strength of our F-Series business, it couldn't be better right now. We have we're on our path to 50 years of truck leadership as America's best-selling vehicle. We have a great inventory right now of F-150 and Super Duty, and we think actually the best way to celebrate our 250 years is by providing this employee pricing on the vehicles that have really built America, and that couldn't be more true than our F-150 and Super Duty pickups. You know, they are the most iconic vehicle in the industry.
They sure are, and, you know, you're doing all of this despite commodities costs still an issue. Of course, the company raised its 2026 profit outlook, boosted by a $1.3 billion tariff refund after the Supreme Court ruling. And Ford also topped first quarter expectations, reporting $2.5 billion in net profit. But you're still facing these higher aluminum costs and price pressures, supply pressures as well, impacting the F-150. What can you tell us about that in terms of the significance of this, $1 billion in aluminum sourcing costs, including the higher tariffs, set to affect the second half of the year, Andrew?
Yeah, well, first of all, like you said, we started with the year very strong, $3.5 billion in operating profit, and we were able to raise our full-year guidance. So the underlying business is really strong. Our portfolio is very strong right now. F-Series, as I said, remains America's best-selling truck. Transit leads our van business. Explorer tops our three-row SUVs, and even our Mustang sales were up 50% on a year-over-year basis in the first quarter. We've got a great commercial business with our Ford Pro business, and, you know, so that's important because as we do see some of these commodity costs increase across steel, aluminum, copper, you know, the strength of our business and our portfolio is really helping us to overcome that and post a good strong first quarter.
Well, I mean, the president is expecting to replace the lost tariff revenue with different tariffs or taxes. Are you expecting that to come?
Well, you know, we obviously will take it in as it comes. You know, we paid approximately $1.3 billion in special import tariffs this past year, and as you mentioned, under the federal action. But this quarter, we actually had many of those tariffs refunded, which was reflected on our earnings. But, you know, as things come out, you know, being the most American company really helps with that. We assemble more U.S. vehicles here than any other manufacturer. We employ employ more employees here in the United States than any other manufacturer. So, as things come out, we always take it in stride, and we just think it's, a strong manufacturing base here in the United States is critically important. It's always been a big part of our strategy.
Yeah, absolutely, Andrew. And I know that the underlying beat in earnings recently was driven by Blue. What can you tell us about Blue? And I got to get your take on the electric vehicle business with this 30% sales increase last year. How is the company incorporating AI to enhance these electric vehicles?
Well, I'll start with your comment on our Blue business, which is, really driven the strength where we actually had the increase in our guidance is really driven on the strength of our product portfolio that I mentioned before. We're seeing a really strong product mix. Our Explorer and Expedition volume was up 30% in the first quarter. I mentioned Mustang being up, and the strength of our F-Series business on its way to 50 years of leadership is really the backbone for a lot of that. And we're seeing, our passion products are really taking off. Customers love our new Tremor series and our Raptor series. We now have 25% of our sales are 4x4 vehicles. So our passion products are really starting to show up for customers. They love them, and that's really the strength of our Blue business. In the Model E and the electric vehicle industry, we're really excited about this because, the industry came down in the fourth quarter just after some of the regulatory changes and consumer tax incentives were altered. But where we're seeing the strength in the electric segment is really in the under $40,000 range, so affordable electric vehicles. And that is where we are investing. We are currently converting Louisville assembly plant to our new universal electric vehicle platform, and we'll be launching the first vehicle off of it next year, which will be a small truck, and couldn't be more excited about that because that plays right in the heart of where the EV customer is buying.
I love that, Andrew.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to pivot to something else, but you finish.
Okay. I was going to make a comment on your AI comment because, it's obviously across all industries right now, but at Ford, we're using AI across our business really to make things better, safer vehicles, higher quality, and just a better overall experience for our customers. So it's about fixing issues sooner, making faster decisions, and just getting it right the first time. So we know it's supporting our people and our productivity and our efficiency. So, we're really embracing AI.
That's terrific. And we did a whole week on AI last week, and it was really fascinating. Yeah. But have you seen at Ford a bit of a World War II style industrial pivot? You know what the president has been asking the automakers to basically help produce weapons and munitions in this wartime economy. The outreach coming from the Pentagon to Ford, GM, to other companies to scale up missile production, drones, military hardware production. Has that begun at Ford?
Well, as the most American company, you can imagine that Ford has always been willing to step up to support our country with products and expertise. And, we've done that throughout our history with, and during the World Wars, we had the arsenal of democracy. But even during COVID, we were building ventilators out of Ford, so to really support the country and the world. So, we work extensively with government customers around the world and with the U.S. government customers at the local, state, and federal level. But, beyond that, we don't have anything more to share today, Maria, on where that could go.
Well, you are a bunch of patriots there at Ford, and we appreciate that very much, Andrew. Good to see you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Great to see you. Great to talk to you. Thanks, Maria.
And to you. Andrew Frick joining us this morning. We'll be right back. Stay with us.